Heart-stopping romances, powerful family feuds, unforgettable characters. 2024 delivered some of the most gripping Turkish dramas yet, shows that didn't just entertain, but took us on an emotional roller coaster. So today on Turkish Drama Notion, let's dive into the top 10 highest rated Turkish dramas of 2024. Grab your popcorn, here we go. Kalpajna, Counterfeiter. The story of this drama revolves around Adam, a quiet man working at the National Mint. His life turns chaotic after one small surprise for his son triggers a domino effect that threatens his job, marriage, and even his child. Things spiral further when his slick and manipulative brother Celal returns. Now, only police officer Ayse stands in the way of total disaster. What will happen when family loyalty clashes with the law? Watch Kalpajna to find out. Uzak Sahir, Distant City. Oya Albora travels to Mardin to fulfill her late husband's last wish. But what starts as a goodbye becomes a fight for freedom when the Albora family traps her. Sihan Albora refuses to let her leave with her son, and soon, Oya discovers a world of secrets and betrayal she never saw coming. To see how far a mother will go for her child, don't miss this gripping drama. Genius, Deha. Devran is a genius, and his academic breakthrough could change everything. But just as he's ready to chase his dreams in the US with his childhood sweetheart, his estranged father returns. With his younger brother caught in the crossfire, Devran must choose between ambition and family. Will his brilliance be enough to protect those he loves? Watch Deha to uncover the truth. KZL Gonkela, Redbirds. This powerful story centers on Miriam, who was married off at 14. Determined to save her daughter from the same fate, she joins forces with a rebellious sister-in-law and finds herself working for a secular psychiatrist, Levent. Emotions flare despite their opposite worlds, but a dangerous secret soon changes everything. Want to know what happens when two worlds collide? Watch Redbirds. Leela Hayat Ask Adalet. The story begins with Leela, abandoned as a child by her stepmother. She returns years later to exact revenge, only to discover the man she once loved is now part of the very web she's here to destroy. As feelings resurface, so does chaos. Can she hold on to her rage, or will love get in the way? Find out in this emotional tale. Mehmed, the Conqueror Sultan. Set during the rise of the Ottoman Empire, this epic follows young Mehmed as he fights for the throne against his rival Orhan. Determined to conquer Constantinople, Mehmed must prove that he is more than just a young ruler. Will his dream reshape history or destroy him? Watch this epic saga to see. Hududsuz Sevda, Boundless Love. Halil Ibrahim returns to his hometown to marry his childhood sweetheart, only to witness her tragic murder. Swearing vengeance, he targets the crime family responsible, but falls for their daughter, Zeynep. Their love could bring peace, or more bloodshed. Curious to see if love can heal deep wounds? Watch Boundless Love. Vendetta, Ken Saiskleri. Forced into marriage to stop a blood feud, Dil and Baran must navigate family hatred and painful secrets. As Baran uncovers a betrayal close to home, he starts seeing Dil in a new light. Will their fake marriage spark real love, or end in ruin? Watch Vendetta to find out. KZLCK Serbeti, Cranberry Sorbet. This drama tells the story of Doa, a modern university student who falls for Fatih from a devout family. Their sudden marriage sets off cultural clashes between their families, but also opens the door for understanding. Can love bridge to different worlds? Watch this drama to see how far hearts can go. Bahar. Bahar gave up a medical career to become a housewife. But when a life-threatening illness strikes, her only hope is a liver transplant from her husband Timur. As secrets unravel, Bahar finds strength she thought she lost. To watch a woman rise from heartbreak to heroism, don't miss Bahar. And there you have it. From tearful reunions to fiery revenge and life-changing love stories, these dramas rule 2024. Which one grabbed your attention? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Drama Notion for more amazing content from the world of Turkish series. Until next time, happy watching.